Welcome to today's special video. We take you to dangerous moments on the railways, where even the smallest mistake can cause a train tragedy. Let's explore and always remember, vigilance and caution are the most important things. Let's get started. The moment the train crashed into Darlton Quarry in Stony Middleton, the truck ran onto the train tracks and was hit by the train, the city said, adding that the people inside the truck managed to escape before being hit.
Jetzt kracht's! Jetzt kracht's!
Horrific accident like in an action movie. Train crashes into truck stuck on the tracks.
Wahnsinn.
An 18-wheeler tractor-trailer at a railroad crossing in front of a speeding train crashed into the truck, turning the large white tractor-trailer into a pile of rubble. If you're too lazy to walk your dog, at least don't be as stupid as the guy in this video.
What the?
Snow-covered train station. Train destroys part of Jalisco prosecutor's office truck that was encroaching on the tracks. Dramatic images of a collision between a train and a truck found on the tracks in Georgia, U.S. were captured on a mobile phone. Accident at level crossing in Slovakia ends unexpectedly. No one injured. Drunk driver crashes into speeding train with unimaginable results. Train carrying Belarusian potash derails in Kazakhstan. Train crashes into tourist bus in Minas Gerais. Truck driver gets bitter end when he closes his eyes and drives while train is moving. Train smashes into truck at level crossing in Turkey. The moment a train derailed, sending 3 people to hospital on Wednesday. When the train siren sounds, people on the tracks have 3 minutes to clear the way. Incredible footage shows woman just inch from death after running in front of 70 imp train. Bus and train accident, Luka Nadjilabo. Japan's flying train, Shonan monorail. Or a collision between B double truck and freight train in Goldfields. The moment an approaching train collided with a truck parked on the railway tracks. A truck, while passing through the Faraka Dam, collided with a passing freight train. A freight train derailed and overturned while in motion. Suffering on the train, watch as truck driver crosses train tracks at the wrong time and gets hit at high speed.
Jesus.
An accident caused a pickup truck to be hit hard on the side by a train, injuring the CCTV. The video of a railway worker saving a man from the path of an oncoming train. Train cuts tractor trailer in half, stuck on tracks. Driver escapes unharmed after train crashes into stalled car in Monroe County.
Obey all signs and signals at train crossings. They're there to keep you safe. The ambulance was caught between the tracks. Despite trying to swerve to avoid it, it was still hit by a train at a terrifying speed. The incident happened on April 3 in the town of Puszki Koło, Poland. The SUV driver decided to take a shortcut and cross the railroad tracks, but got stuck on the tracks. All attempts to save his vehicle were unsuccessful. Miraculously, the driver, a 55-year-old woman, was not injured. A car was dragged several meters by a train after it became stuck on the tracks, in an incident reported south of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Oh my God, boxes fell out of a container tonight as crews continued to clear derailed train carriages in Station Square? The moment an eager lorry driver got too close at a level crossing and was pulled aside when his vehicle became entangled with a crane being pulled on passing freight train carriages. Train crashes into tractor trailer in Rockland County, New York. A truck had a serious accident on the tracks in Ohio, USA, and was hit by a train.
Oh my gosh.
This is video of a train crashing into a tractor trailer, hauling military equipment. The woman's car got stuck on the railway tracks and was hit by a train. Indonesia motorcycle stuck on the tracks. Mother and child nearly got hit by train. Luckily, they ran in time. Train truck accident in Midlands, Texas. The truck driver was lucky to escape before the accident. The accident happened last week in Elkhart County, Indiana. A group of teenagers were riding in a limousine to celebrate a birthday. They all got out just as the car got stuck on the tracks, and no one was injured in the accident. EA 784 was about to hit a man at Branistey Station. It can be said that this man was too reckless. The moment a man narrowly escaped death after falling on the railway and a train passed by? A man was nearly hit by a high-speed train after he forced his way through a level crossing barrier in Enfield.
Fatal Fury! Out!
Oh, watch your back.
Video of accident involving electric car and foreign car appears. Road accident involving special equipment and train in Arkarinsky district. Driver fortunately unhurt. A Pendolino train and a Koleji Mazowiecki airport bus collided at a crossroads in Nowy Dwór Mazowiecki. The driver faces up to 8 years in prison. Family has an incredible escape when car is hit head-on by train. Train runs through floodwaters. Horrifying scenes occur, but no danger is reported. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope the images and warnings about train accidents will help raise awareness about the importance of always being alert and cautious in all situations. Don't forget to share this video to spread the message about traffic safety. See you in the next video, and always remember about safety.